and welcome to my channel. I'm Diane, the owner and creator of Vermont Lavender, and today we're going to be making some aromatherapy shower steamers. But before we dive in, I have something special I want to share with you. If you want to level up your DIY or skincare knowledge, I have a weekly newsletter that I'm going to be offering, and I have resources, I have tips, I have ideas and recipes that I don't share anywhere else. So I'll leave a link in the description box below if you're interested. And also I have a special ingredient that I'm going to be using in making these shower steamers. So stick around to later on in the video. So let's get making some aromatherapy shower steamers. So I'm just doing the test and it's perfect. So now I'm ready to mold it. This is what it looks like. It's a beautiful, beautiful light mauve color, and it smells beautiful. Love the lavender chamomile, one of my favorite scents and one of popular seller too. All right, let's get molding. And this is the mold I'm using. It's the heart mold. And if you haven't seen that video, it's aromatherapy shower steamers. I'll link that in the description box below. So what I'm going to do is just add some of this to it. Put a little bit of the purple in there, and then put just a few of the lavender. I don't really need to add anything, but I want to add just a little bit. And this is that mallow root. It's a little bit staticky in the shop, like I said, so it's very dry. So I'm not going so much for the design of the mold, it's more of the flowers, the botanicals that I'm going to be using. So hopefully it works. It is very, very dry in the shop today. I have my humidifier going, but so I'm just going to press in. You've seen me do this in other videos. And if you haven't seen my master one, which is the super strong shower steamers, that's in the playlist. I have a whole playlist on shower steamers. And I'm just covering it because it's so dry. Try to keep it still moist. I might have to spritz it a little bit with some 91% rubbing alcohol. That's what I'm using. Okay, so now I'm going to just flip this over, and I do have my wax paper underneath to catch it all. And they came right out. Wow. Oh, those are, wow, look at that. Look at this. Oh my goodness. Wow, love it. Okay, so it's still pretty good. It's still pretty moist, so that's good. And keeping the paper plate on top of it really does help prevent it from drying out. And so now what I want to do is I want to put a little bit of calendula. Not a lot. So this is the contrast of the purple and gold. Yeah, that's good. Might add a little bit of the bachelor buttons. Got the pink in there, so pretty. And this is great for like Valentine's or Valentine's Day, or if you want to make it for Mother's Day, this would be really, really nice. Or even the holiday season, but this is more of a spring summer garden, but you could do this all year. If you were thinking about selling some, making some and selling them, or giving them as gifts. And I have a surprise at the end of the video if you stay to the end. But if you are interested in like essential oil blends and other DIY recipes, I have a newsletter that I will link in the description box below if you're interested in. This is great even for children to help them calm down before they go to bed. And yeah, I'm not getting so carried away around the edges. I've made so many I've made so many shower steamers, and I'm also just trying to work really quickly because it is so dry in here. And we'll see tomorrow. Hopefully they're not like really crumbly, so I'll show you that. Stay tuned because it has to dry overnight, but these will not take too much time to actually dry. It's like 20% for the humidity in here, so it's really, really dry. All right, I'm going to just flip these over. Oh, isn't that pretty? Look at the purple and the gold. And this one is, I'm going to add a little bit, very, very little. I don't want to add a lot because I don't want a lot going down the drain. It's just for aesthetics. That's that there. Then add a little bit of lavender. Doesn't have too much of a brightness to it. Okay. And then this is a nice deep, really love that. That's a nice, look at that color. Wow. That's a nice contrast right there. And so see how small these particles are? Very, very small. So I have two different ones here. Let me add a little bit of the calendula here. Just adds a little bit of oomph. A little bit of sunshine to your shower steamers. Okay. And then this one here actually will just set up overnight. So I'm not going to pop these out at all. And I'll leave the molds, the links for the molds and all that down below. Making these aromatherapy or DIY products is you make a lot of it, not only to sell, but you're making it for yourself, so you get to enjoy the benefits. And if you like this video, give me a thumbs up. It helps to get it out there to the YouTube algorithm. And the next video to watch is on aromatherapy shower steamers, the Valentine Mother's Day edition. And I'll leave the link over there. And I'll see you in the next video. Bye for now, friends.